In this video, we show you how to install the BOS DuneFox SB shot blasted on the BMW F GS models. This is the BOS DuneFox SB shot blasted. Inside the box, you'll find several components required for the installation. We start by removing the original exhaust. First, loosen the exhaust clamp, then the mounting point on the frame. Now, the exhaust is free and can be removed from the motorcycle. We will need the bushing from the original exhaust to install the BOS DuneFox. Next, we prepare the BOS DuneFox. Insert the link pipe into the muffler. Then, connect these parts with the pull spring. Now, we mount the brackets. Start by loosely fastening them. This makes it easier to install the bushing. Place the bushing between the mounting brackets. Next, slide the black ring over the bushing. Finally, insert the aluminum sleeve through the bushing. Tighten the 4 bolts in the mounting bracket. We reuse the original exhaust clamp. Now you're ready to mount the exhaust. Place the washer between the mounting bracket and the mounting point. Screw the exhaust into place. Then, tighten the exhaust clamp. And that's how you install the BOS DuneFox SB shot blasted. Enjoy your ride and the BOS sound.